Hello. Today I'm going to explain to you how I designed my infographic and why I chose certain methods of design in order to make it effective. I am going to begin by describing some of the Gestalt theories. These theories were developed by German psychologists in the 1920s and describe how people usually place visual elements into groups or unified items when some of these principles are applied. The first theory that I'm going to explain to you is proximity. As you can see, some of these items on my infographic are grouped together. I placed the most important facts together at the top and then separated the rest into other subsets. The next Gestalt theory that I used was alignment. This means that items are placed together along the same line to make it more organized. There are left, right, and center alignments, but I used left alignment for all of my text. The last Gestalt theory that I used was similarity and anomaly. This theory states that objects that look similar are perceived as a group or a pattern. An object can be emphasized to be dissimilar as well to create a better visual. I applied this theory by placing pictures to represent each topic. For example, I used this symbol to represent money because heart disease costs $200 billion each year for the United States. Additionally, I used female and male symbols to create a better visual when describing heart disease rates in adults. I used anomaly by changing the color of one of the males and females to represent the statistic of 1 in 4. The next theory that I am going to describe to you is the color theory. Color harmony is one aspect of color theory which states that a visual can be experienced as presenting a sense of order. Therefore, I use color anonymity to help achieve that. It is described as using a monochromatic color scheme to help achieve color harmony. White and 2 different shades of gray are used to make the infographic have a theme. Red is also used to contrast those colors and represent health. I chose red because heart disease is usually associated with the color red. Another one of the principles in color theory is not using more than 3 colors. I achieved this by using 3 colors that I already stated: gray, white, and red. I did use one additional color on the hot dog picture, but since it is so small, it doesn't disrupt the whole theme. I hope my explanation of my infographic gave you a better understanding of both the Gestalt and color theories. Thank you for listening.